In this video, I'm going to be carving an American Goldfinch, but first we need a wooden flower. And if you want to see how this was made, check out the video here or link down in the comments, and while you're rummaging around down there, make sure to hit that subscribe button. The first thing I do is find an image on Google Image. Once you find an image that fits the shape of what you're trying to accomplish, just get rid of some of the excess. And with some wood glue, we lightly dab it and glue it to a block of Tupelo. And then it's time to head to the nail shop. I leave a little extra material on the head because I plan to have it turned to the side. I start the rough shaping of the body and neck with a drum sanding bit for my Dremel. Once I have the rough shape, I lay out the top profile of the head and the beak. After I have the rough shape, I start refining the beak detail with a diamond flame bit. I separate the wing and tail feathers with a V-tool, and then refine the shape with a nail file. I lay out the details around the eyes and the major feather groups, and start refining these areas with the diamond flame tool. After these areas are defined and well sanded, I lay out the feathers within these groups. I then use a cylinder stone bit to start defining the feather barbs. The quills and barbs of the wing and tail feathers are burned in with a wood burning pen. I use quickwood to build up the shape of the legs and to set the eyes. I use a small ball of the quickwood and then push the eye into place. I position the eyes with the eraser of a pencil, making sure that the eyes have symmetry from all directions. I use a toothpick to shape the remaining quickwood into eyelids. I coat the entire bird in a thin wash of gesso. I start by applying the lighter of the base colors, trying not to be too consistent with the color. Once the base colors are applied, I soften the edges with a fine brush. I create the toes out of lead-free solder, getting the rough shape with a hammer and defining the claw area with a pair of vice grips. I then go over with the Dremel and shape the toe. After the toes are shaped, I curve them to fit the base and apply the base paint color. I glue the toes in place individually and then apply epoxy and wood putty to form the foot. After the foot has been formed, I apply the final paint color.